In the previous video, we discussed about types of machine learning systems. In this video, we are going to see one type of machine learning system, that is a supervised learning system. The machine learning systems can be classified according to the amount and the type of supervision they get during the training. Based on this one, we categorize them into four types. The first one is a supervised learning system. Second one is a unsupervised learning system. Third one, semi-supervised learning system. And fourth one is a reinforcement learning system. So we'll see the supervised learning system. In supervised learning system, the training set we feed to algorithm that includes desired solution called as a label. For example, here the the training set contains a set of instances. Each instance is having some corresponding class label. So here a number of instances are there. Each and every instance contains corresponding class label. So this is called as a training set. Now the training set contains instance and corresponding class label. Okay. Now whenever based on this information our machine is going to train, whenever we are giving the new instance to our system, automatically we are going to classify the give the corresponding class label. So this type of thing is called as a supervised learning system. So a typical supervised learning task is classification. The spam filter is the good example of this one. Okay, it is trained with the help of many example emails along with their class labels like spam or harm, and it must learn how to classify the new emails. So we'll see one example. So that data set contains different types are there. One is it may be a it may be in the form of text documentations or images or corresponding sounds. Okay, so now each and every type of data contains some feature vectors that is converted in the form of a feature vectors, and also each and every data instance is having its own labels. Now for the machine learning algorithm, we are providing the corresponding features and as well as labels to the machine learning algorithm. Based on this features and corresponding class labels, our machine learning is going to learn the things, and we are going to develop one model. Based on this model, whenever you are providing the new input in the form of a text, document or image or sound, whatever it may be, that is converted in the form of features. Now our model is going to predict the corresponding class label. Okay, this is simply called as a supervised learning system. Another typical task is to predict the target numeric value, like the price of a car. A given it contains a set of features like mileage of the car, age of the car, brand of the car, called as a predictors. Now this is sort of a task is called as a regression. So here we are having some set of features are there. Based on these features, we are finding that here the feature one is there and corresponding values are there. Now to train the system, we need to give many examples of a car, include the both their predictors and corresponding their labels. Okay. Some of the regression algorithms can be used for the classification as well as and vice versa. For example, logistic regression is commonly used for classification, as it can be output a value that correspond to the probability of a belonging to a given class. Some of the most important supervised learning algorithms are K nearest neighborhoods, linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machines, and decision trees and random forest, and neural networks. Here is some of the examples of the supervised learning algorithms. In the next video, we are going to see unsupervised learning systems. Thank you for watching our video.